Okay. What do we got going on today? Well, today is Wednesdays with Randy, and the drink I have today, and it's because it is snowing outside. It is cold, and I want something to warm me up. So today we are going to make a hot chocolate bourbon warmer. Oh, this is going to be great. It is going to be great. Not too many ingredients. Very easy to make, very tasty. Okay, so, and like I do always, I'll put the ingredients down in the description box. But let's show you how we make this, okay? All right, so the very first thing we're going to need is 2 cups of milk. And then you can scale this up to whatever you need to, for whatever you're doing. But for this, I'm making 2 drinks. Because if I don't make Laura one, she gets upset. All right? So we got 2 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk just because I think it tastes a little bit better. All right, so we're going to put that on medium heat, start. All right, so in the milk, we want 2 cinnamon sticks. And if you can break them, break them. All right? So what we're going to do is heat that. So milk, cinnamon sticks. All right, the next ingredient is going to be some sugar. It's 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right. And we are going to put in just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt. All right, so just stir that, heat it up slowly. I will need a strainer. So let's heat that up. Okay, so the milk is hot. And what we want to add next is, these are just the semi-sweet chocolates. This will be 6 ounces. And we're just going to put them in the milk. They're already pre-measured. And then just keep stirring. Don't forget to stir until all the chocolate is all nice and melted. This is so good, especially on a day like today. I've been doing a lot of winter drinks. It's the season, right? All right, I'm gonna kill the heat on this. Oh, the smell is delicious. I think somebody said they wanted to invent smell-o-vision. I wish they could. Because this is fantastic. Okay. The next thing, I turned the heat off, so the next thing we want to do is you get out your 2 cups, right? And I've made it with 1 ounce per mug. Bourbon. All right, 1 ounce in a mug. And then what you want to do is you just want to, I'll give that another stir. And then what we want to do is use one of these small screens, and we just want to filter out if there's any chunks or hunks of chocolate, and make a mess. But if I didn't make a mess, you'd think there was something wrong, right? Okay. Let me clean up my mess. And then what you can do, and this is strictly up to you, is put a few marshmallows on it. Marshmallows is a great flavor. All right. And then if you also want to, toast a few of them. All right. That is our hot chocolate bourbon warmer. Oh, you sure can taste a nice chocolate flavor. Tastes just like a hot chocolate. Then you get a little bit of a bourbon taste too. All right, it's gonna warm me up. All right. All right, I think Laura will like that. So, that is, like I said before, that is our hot chocolate bourbon warmer. Fantastic. If you like hot chocolate, you'll like that. Okay, so I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by Randy's Wednesdays with Randy. I'm still trying to get that straight. Wednesdays with Randy, okay? Where we always got something good going on. All right. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. All right. Delicious.